In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tomorrow's date in Excel. This is a quick, reliable way to display the next calendar day automatically, and it updates itself every time the sheet recalculates. It's perfect for schedules, reminders, and any workflow that always needs to look ahead by one day. Start by choosing where you want tomorrow's date to appear. Click once on the cell that should show the result. You can use any empty cell in your worksheet. Picking a clear spot will make it easier to reference later. Now, type a simple formula. Begin with an equals sign so Excel knows you're entering a formula. Then type today with an opening and closing parenthesis, and add +1 right after it. It should look exactly like this when you're done typing. Today, +1. The today function returns the current date based on your system clock, and Excel stores dates as sequential numbers. Adding 1 increases that date value by a single day, which gives you tomorrow. Press Enter to confirm. Excel will calculate instantly and display the next day's date using your workbook's default date format. If you see a plain number instead of a date, that just means the cell is formatted as general or number. You can switch it to a date format from the Home tab so it shows as a readable date. Whether it appears as a short date like 4/26/2026 or a long date like Sunday, April 26, 2026, depends on your regional settings and chosen format, but the underlying value is correct either way. Because this is a live formula, it updates automatically. Each time you open the file or the sheet recalculates, the result will advance as the current date changes, always pointing to tomorrow. If you ever need to freeze it as a one-time static value, convert the result to plain text or values by copying the cell and pasting as values in the same place. You can reuse this in other cells too. If you want the same logic elsewhere, copy the formula or drag the fill handle down a column. Since there are no cell references inside equals today +1, every copied instance will behave the same way. A quick tip. If you ever work across time zones or switch computers, the displayed date depends on the device's date and region settings. Also, if you need the time included, you'd use now instead of today. But for a clean, date-only tomorrow equals today +1 is the simplest and most dependable approach. And that's all you need to get tomorrow's date in Excel fast and accurate every time.